Yo, Chef Kels, what's cooking? On tonight's menu, I'll be making Nashville honey hot wings and mac and cheese. First, I started off with my dredge. It's cornstarch, flour, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. Grand Marcella is the key to get it nice and crispy and flaky. Then we're going to mix that all together. I did add my dry to some wet, and then my wet is going to be the dry mixture with the buttermilk. Then I gave that a mix. Then I'm going to add my chicken to that. Get that nice and soaked and marinated and covered. Then I'm going to add that back to the dry mix. And it's going to make the perfect fried chicken. I promise you. It's going to be so crispy. The perfect mac and cheese. I only use cavatappi noodles when I'm making my mac. And make sure you season your water. Again, make sure you season your water. Now let's make our roux. It's just equal parts butter and flour. Make sure you cook it long enough to cook the flour out. Now let's add our milk, our heavy cream, our velveted cheese, our mild cheddar, our Gruyere, and our smoked Gouda. Bring that up to a boil. Make sure it's at the right consistency that you want it, nice and thick. Now let's add our noodles. Get at a mixy mix. It's looking mighty creamy and delicious to me. Now let's add that to the pan. Get that pan nice and covered. Pop that in the oven on broil. Get you a nice color on top. Now let's drop this chicken. I promise you, this is the best chicken you're gonna ever taste. Look how crispy it is. Golden brown is delicious. Now let's add that to the bowl. Add our Nashville honey hot sauce on top. Make sure you get it nice and covered. Get that a toss. Look how good that's looking. Yes. Now let's place that on top of our mac and cheese. Nashville honey hot wings and the best mac and cheese.